spot.
Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the LCD hinges from a Dell Alienware 13 version R2. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and remove access door. Next, disconnect battery cable. Now disconnect hard drive cable. Then unscrew and remove hard drive. Now disconnect keyboard cables. Next, unscrew and remove bracket. Now disconnect antenna cables and remove wireless card. Now remove palmrest screws. Now pry apart and turn over palmrest. Then disconnect and remove palmrest. Now unscrew and remove hinge covers. Now remove rear hinge screws. Then disconnect cables from motherboard. Now unscrew and remove LCD display assembly. Next, use fingertips to separate and turn over bezel. Now disconnect and remove bezel. Then unscrew and remove hinges. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For batteries, click here. For hard drives, click here. For wireless cards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check the video description below for links to written tutorials and replacement parts.